Hi everyone, my name is Sarabjit Kaur and I'm a computer teacher by profession, and in my today's video I am going to discuss about types of user defined function. In my previous video I have explained about user defined function and predefined function. If you have not watched that video, I will link that videos in the I button. Do check it out. And before starting this video, I request you all to please subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn any topic, any specified topic, then you can write down about this topic in the comment box. I'll surely make the video on that. So what do you mean by types of user defined function? It means we can create user defined function in many ways. So the first way is void function void. This is the first type of user defined function in which we will not take any value from the main. It means this section specifies the arguments. These arguments we take from the main program, and this section specifies the return value. It means when your function will calculate any value, then your function can return that value to main function. Okay, so in this type of function both the sections are void. It means it will not take any argument from the main and it will not return any value to the main. When we learn about these functions further, then it will clear out you more. Okay, so these type of functions, void function void, have two sections that I have explained you, and I have written this with the help of some diagrams also. Means this section is argument section and the first section is the return section. Okay, so the next is program. We will make a program of simple interest. We will calculate simple interest with the help of user defined function, and we will use this type void function void. So how can you create a program of simple interest? First you will write down header file, then you will create a function void simple interest. You can name this function as up to your choice. उसके बाद आप curly bracket को start करेंगे. Then I will take four variables. I have taken four variables P, R, T and SI. So PR is for principal, R is for rate and T is for time. And in SI variable I will write down my formula P into R into T upon 100. After calculating your simple interest, you will print that simple interest. So you will write down cout SI. Okay, and then you will close your function. So this is the function body that you have created before the main, and after that you will create a main function by writing int main, and you will call this function body inside the main. Okay, so this function will activate when you call this function, and after that you will return 0, and this is the function simple interest that I have created before main. So we have created two blocks. First block is for functions body and second block is for main programs body. This way you can create a program, and the second program that I am showing to you, that is calculating the area of circle. So area of circle का program जो हम बनाएंगे, that will also be made with the help of void function and void. So for this I will write void area. In the first line of your program you have to write down about the header file, that is hash include iostring. Okay, then I have created a function void area. Then in this function you have to take two variables. First is for R means the radius, and A is the variable that will hold your value of the area. Then you will ask the user to enter the radius, then you will take the radius from the user, and then you will insert the formula by writing 22/7 into R. You can replace this value 22/7 with 3.14. You can write down decimal value here also, but the answer will be in the integer because you have taken the data type of A as int. Okay, after calculating, after inserting the formula, you will print your area by writing cout A, and you will close curly braces of area function. Then you will create your int main. Inside the int main you have to call your function body that you have created above the main program. So we have called this functions here, and then you will close the section of main. Okay, this way you will create your programs using void function void, and in the void function void you will not take any argument from the user and you will not return any value to the main. You will not take any argument from the main, you will not return any value to the main. Okay, here I have not written void because we can skip that. It's not mandatory to write down void here. Okay, so in my next video I will explain you the second type of user defined function. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.